Want to see something cool? That's a glacier. It's me, Andrea. I'm right now on my 4th cruise through Alaska. So I've done a few excursions. Here are my top 5 things to do in Alaska. Number 5 is ziplining through temperate rainforest. I'm a really tough critic because I don't really think ziplining is that fun. I prefer bungee jumping, but this was awesome. You did 7 different canopies. It was really high up, so we were like hugging the tree. It's actually even faster when it's raining because Alaska is a temperate rainforest, so it rains a lot. So this is definitely an activity that you can do when it's raining and gross outside. It's even more fun. Number 4, dog sledding in Juneau. They're ready to go. There's 2 ways to do dog sledding. I highly recommend in the snow because that's the true experience. The way that they do the Iditarod, which is that famous race. It's like the Super Bowl of dog racing. It's kind of like 3 tours in one because you have to take a helicopter ride onto the glacier and you're dog sledding on the glacier. How cool is that? You definitely want to be the person that's standing on it, not sitting, because I was sitting and there's like no shock system. So I had a bit of a headache at the end, but it was worth it. It's so cool. Number 3 is the Tracy Fjord. So if you think this Hubbard Glacier is cool, oh my goodness, it's unbelievable. And we did it a very special way. Usually the cruise lines do this where they just kind of come up close, but we had a private boat. And that way we could navigate through the icebergs and get really close to the Sawyer glaciers. And we saw a bunch of harbor seals. We saw a black bear. We also had glacieritas. These girls are just on a whole nother level of awesome and picked up these giant icebergs from the sea and then made a glacierita out of it. And it was really good. That's good. Number 2, whale watching in Juneau. We came across a freaking super pod of orca whales, which is unheard of. I've never seen anything like this, and I don't think I'll ever see anything again like this because it's super rare. Seeing nature that close up, I mean, I definitely did start crying a little bit. It was so cool. Number 1. Hello from the top of Mute Glacier here in Skagway, Alaska. Walking on a glacier. Actually like the best and worst thing that I've ever done. Just why it's number 1 because we went in August and it was so cold. We were woefully unprepared. I actually did a whole video about how not to do glacier walking like I did it, but it was just so incredible. The helicopter ride, landing on all this ice, the bright blue of it all, and then drinking the glacier water. You have to do that. And you apparently need to be in shape for that. I didn't do enough push-ups because as you can see, I couldn't get myself back up. What's your favorite excursion that you've done in Alaska? Did I miss something? Probably. There's a lot to do. Let me know in the comments below. If you thought this was helpful, know someone that's going to Alaska soon, feel free to share, and I'll see you guys soon.